is it kebab. With almost there.
That's chicken, then that's doner.
Masarap ka hindi nakatikim ng
This is nice, that one, the tomato.
mixed doner and chicken kebab.
I like their rice. Where they put lentils.
Yeah.
It's nice too. Their style of preparing rice. But the rice today is plain. Plain white.
Mas masarap pa yung tabulo ko.
It's different. Their tabbouleh is different.
Yeah, mas masarap yung tabulo kong ginagawa.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba ang daming paswit? Oh, I will make. We will make. Humot ko. Ang dami din. $20. Na? At saka at least balance. Pero
Yeah.
maraming
Salad.
vegetable.
Do you like the doner or the chicken?
Parang masarap din yung chicken nila.
Yeah.
This time. Saka pag doner, pag ganito, hindi masyadong nakakatapos. Hindi masyadong early.
Mm.
Ano na?
You have time.
Time na? Okay.
I mean,
Okay, see you friends. That's our program. This is $20. Okay, you know, bye.